Hi, good morning. My name is Alex Vieira. I'm an expert in numerous fields, namely algorithms. In the past 3 decades, I've been helping people, institutions, to outperform in the markets and to find a solution for the financial markets, precisely utilizing algorithms. So I've been publishing thousands of case studies demonstrating 100% accuracy, investing in stocks, cryptos, forex, commodities, and this since IPO, since 1989. So today I'm going to show you on YouTube for members 2 years ago, detailed explanation. And one day I decided to move to England. This is the original of my dissertation, algorithms, okay? Started here. This is the copy, you find it in England. At that time, you find here examples, algorithms, okay? That I had to utilize, namely in wave theory. What I did back then, I had to make a very important decision in my life since I was invited for a PhD at Oxford and the Imperial College. I decided to refuse for several reasons, being one of them the fact that I didn't have funds. The other one, I found that this work would have important implications, value in the financial markets. So since my primary goal, it has been always to be complete, independent, free, I decided to utilize it, to monetize it, applying it to the financial markets and to help others to accomplish historic results. So I published thousands of case studies. Today I don't have to demonstrate anything to anyone. And during this time, what I've been doing is to evolve, to learn, to explain the use of other technologies that meanwhile they evolved significantly, sentiment analysis, emotion analysis, and many other stuff that you find explanations detailed on the website that I invite you to visit to learn about. And when people, they tell you that it is not possible to predict the evolution of asset or what the asset is going to do, namely price targets and many other things, hyperparameters and so on, they tell you because they have something else to sell you, an idea, and they don't know anything about mathematics or physics. So we decided to evolve into a complete different approach, and by doing it, demonstrating that there is a rational explanation for the things that you see happening in the markets. Therefore, for example, the stunning rally in cryptocurrencies and its crash, or the same about Tesla, or what you have seen, for example, in Snowflake, that is unique in the history of the markets, and thousands more. Many of them shared in real time in free plans that I've been releasing throughout the years, precisely aiming at helping others to accomplish, to execute, and to explain, and to give them the level of confidence that they will need to execute. the foundation, it is precisely here. Okay, so mathematics and physics, they explain it. All right. So when I talk about in the past genius like Perelman, that most people, they unfortunately are not familiar with, and many others, I've been trying to explain to you that instead of relying on human judgment or biased information, you shall instead rely on mathematics and physics. Okay? So what we have been doing also in the past years is then, to evolve and to create software robots to execute for us. Everything became automated, and obviously, today things, they are by far less complex than in the past. I'm going to terminate by inviting everyone to visit the website, where you can learn about all this stuff. Hi, good morning, Alex here today with Snowflake, $420. Well, this is precisely what I told you that you were going to get, a company in market cap worth $120 billion. No one believed in, so you have it here live. And obviously also today I'm reducing my investment in Snowflake. So I had the pleasure to, and by the way, you find articles on the blog of the company after the company reported earnings, precisely warning for short sellers to cover their short positions immediately and to buy shares of Snowflake. So after the company reported earnings, I was here after hours, $274, buying Snowflake, telling you why this line would remain as a support that was seen as positive. But the most important, it was ahead of earnings when the Americans, they downgraded Snowflake, believing that they had a top in place, precisely reiterating a strong buy at a price of 235. So I've been here recording live since IPO, giving and leaving instructions which I'm not going to repeat. It will not be fair for those that they purchased the instructions and they attended live streaming sessions. Okay, so as of today you have $420. I'm reducing precisely because I gave you a price target, highest in the world, $423, $425. Okay, so reducing, you raise your money stops in the remaining. So I'm going to put it here, the rest. Money stops. And obviously you have to expect a very high level of volatility in shares of this company. So this is basically what I want to say. So price target reference given to you, 423, 425, and this for 120 million. The highest in the world, demonstrating 100% accuracy. And well, that's pretty much what I have to say. So